Telemedicine has completely transformed the way healthcare is delivered. Patients can now connect with their healthcare providers from the comfort of their own homes, avoiding the hassle of traveling to a clinic or waiting in crowded offices. But here's the thing, even the most advanced telemedicine platforms need strong behind-the-scenes support to work smoothly. That's where virtual medical assistants come in to make a real difference. So, what exactly do virtual medical assistants do? They manage the administrative tasks that can slow down a telemedicine practice. This includes scheduling appointments, verifying insurance coverage, updating medical records, and more. By taking these tasks off the plate of healthcare providers, virtual medical assistants allow clinicians to focus entirely on patient care. Let's talk about how virtual medical assistants make telemedicine better for patients. First, they improve scheduling processes. Nobody enjoys dealing with double-booked appointments, long waits, or missed consultations. Virtual medical assistants ensure patient appointments are scheduled with precision, avoiding conflicts and reducing delays. They also send reminders to patients, which significantly reduces the number of missed appointments, a common challenge in telemedicine. Next, let's address insurance verification. For many patients, dealing with insurance coverage can be confusing and stressful. Virtual medical assistants handle this before the consultation begins, verifying insurance eligibility and ensuring both patients and healthcare providers are clear on what's covered. This eliminates surprises and keeps the process running smoothly. Another key role of virtual medical assistants is documentation. During or after a telemedicine session, they take care of updating electronic health records with patient notes, diagnoses, and treatment plans. This means healthcare providers can focus on the actual consultation instead of being distracted by data entry. For patients, this translates to a more personalized and attentive care experience. Virtual medical assistants also play a big part in follow-ups. Need to schedule additional tests or consultations? Have questions about your treatment plan? Virtual medical assistants ensure everything is handled efficiently, helping patients stay on track and achieve the best health outcomes possible. Let's look at a real-world example. A small healthcare clinic, 𝗍𝗶𝗍𝗂𝗹 Healthcare Corporation, struggled to keep up when they added telemedicine services during the pandemic. Scheduling conflicts, delayed insurance verification, and incomplete documentation created stress for both staff and patients. They decided to outsource virtual medical assistant services to Staffingly, and the results were remarkable. Appointment scheduling became 45% more efficient, insurance verification errors dropped by 80%, and healthcare providers reported feeling 30% less stressed about administrative tasks. Patients noticed the difference too, with smoother, faster telemedicine experiences. At the end of the day, telemedicine and virtual medical assistants are the perfect combination. Together, they make healthcare more efficient, accessible, and patient-friendly. By outsourcing these services to a trusted provider like Staffingly, healthcare organizations can save time, reduce costs, and improve patient care, all while delivering a seamless experience that patients truly appreciate. Telemedicine is the future of healthcare, and with virtual medical assistants by your side, that future is brighter than ever.
If you are looking for outsourcing services, schedule a demo today by visiting www.staffingly.com or emailing us at support@staffingly.com or call us on the number 1-800-489-5877.